Hello fellow coders, hope you all are doing great. So this is the second part of the exercise video that I have uploaded preceding this video, and if you were unable to solve that exercise or whatever the questions that I have provided to you, today in this video I would be helping you out with them. So in the first one we have to print this whole line. I'm just going to write here a print statement. I've already discussed about the print statement in a previous video. You can just check out that video as well if you want to. And so this is like a print statement, and let's add, this is a double backslash. Okay, so now we need these two things. First of all, two double backslashes for a single one. So we just have to add 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Okay, and let's run it and see if it is working or not. Yep, it is working. This is the thing that was required. And for the second one, we have to print this whole line. Another example. Now what do we have here? We have a forward slash. We don't really need any special thing like a backslash or anything else for the forward slash to be printed, so we're just going to skip it for now. And what about the backslash? We need two of them. Let's add two. And then we have another forward slash, and this is like a single one, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. We have like 4 different mountains, or 4 different shapes, you could say. It's not technically mountain, it's just a random shape. So this is for the first one, and then we're just going to copy it and then paste it 4 times. So hopefully it is going to display the thing that we want to be displayed. We want this thing to be displayed. Okay, so we are getting a syntax error because this is not really anything. It's just something like, it's not even a comment, so I'm just going to remove it. Yup, it is working. Now let's move on to the next one. Now we have to print this whole thing without using any manual spaces. I'm sorry if the spelling of spacing is incorrect. Yes, it is incorrect though. I'm just going to remove it. Now let's remove this whole thing. He is backslash T. And I have already, oh, I'm sorry. This is the backslash. I accidentally used a front slash. I've already explained to you about the escape characters in one of my previous videos. And you can check that video out if you were unable to understand it properly. You can just rewatch the whole video. I usually make really small videos, so it's not really an issue that the video is going to be really long. And so he is awesome. Let's try and see if it is working. Yep, it is working. And clearly I have not used any manual spaces. Let's remove these 2 spaces if you are considering them as a manual space. It is still working, as you could see. It is still working yet. Let's move on to the next one. We have to print this whole thing. I'm sorry, the spelling of print was incorrect. For these 2 things to be displayed, we have to use these 4 characters. Now the next one, we're going to just copy this thing and then paste it here, and then just replace this thing by a single quote. And for this thing, again, a single backslash for this backslash n, and then a single backslash t. You can watch my previous video if you are unable to comprehend what is happening over here. So you can just watch that video. I have explained to you how you can combine different type of characters in order to print them. We require four of the backslashes to print both 2 backslashes. Oh my god, what is happening to my speech, bro? There you go. I'm just going to copy it. Let's just cut it actually. So let's see if it is working or not. Yes, it is working. As you can see, we are getting the same thing. Okay, so we're getting the same thing. Okay, there you go. That's it for now, guys. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Please leave a like down below. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you very, very soon. Later.